Okay, now today's question. Draw an Archemedian spiral or one convolution having radius radii 115 mm and this radii 15 mm respectively. So we have to draw Archemedian spiral. So the application of this spiral is you can find in clamping devices for jigs and picture. Okay, and some profile of cams for automation. These are the applications. Here it is mentioned one convolution. One convolution means 360 degrees. One convolution means 360 degrees. So we will start the procedure. First step with center O and radius equal to 115 mm in the compass. With the center O, draw a big circle having that radius 115 mm in the compass and complete the circle. Then, as our usual method, divide the circle into how many parts? 12 equal parts. We have to divide first, draw vertical diameter, horizontal diameter, then we will get 4 intersection point. Keep on first intersection point, draw at the top, draw here at the bottom. Similarly, keep here at this intersection point, draw left side and right side. So you have to complete the division of circle into how many parts? So we have divided circle into 12 parts and give the numbering in anti-clockwise direction like this. So starting from 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12. Next in this question given, least radius, that is 15 mm. So what you have to do? From center O, mark distance 15 mm towards right. Mark distance 15 mm from the center pole and mark this point as P. This distance is 15 mm. In our question it is this radius is given, that's why we are taking point P from the center 15 mm. But in some question directly it is mentioned draw Archemedian spiral for one convolution having radius let us say 120 or 115 mm. So in that case no need to take distance, that P point is at center only. Okay, so your spiral will start from center only. But here in this case the spiral will start at point P. Next, at 12, mark point Q. At 12, mark point Q. Now, we got length PQ or line PQ. Now here one convolution means 360 degrees. Okay, the circle we have divided into 12 parts, 360 degrees. Divide the line PQ also in 12 number of equal parts. As our usual method, that means take angle protector, then mark angle 30 degree, draw a line, this construction must be bent and take some appropriate distance in the compass, and on this line, this angular line you have to divide into 12 parts and last point you have to join into, then draw parallel lines. You will get line division of PQ. So we have divided line PQ into 12 number of equal parts. Now next step, important step, what you have to do? Now take compass, take distance in the compass O1 dash. O1 dash. That means from center you have to take distance O1 dash. With O as a center, O at the center. Draw an arc. Draw an arc which will intersect radial line O1. Which will intersect radial line O1. Mark this point as P1. Mark this point as P1. Understood? We have to take distance O1 dash. Here this is 1 dash on the line P2. Then draw an arc which will intersect radial line O1. Similarly, next take distance O2 dash in the compass. Draw an arc which will intersect radial line O2. Mark this point as this point is P2. Next, similarly, take distance O3 dash in the compass. Draw an arc which will intersect radial line O3. O3. This is my center O. Mark this point as P3. So repeat the same procedure for each and every point. So you will get at last P12 will be at 12 dash. We got see here P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6. We can draw downwards also, no issue. You can draw this way also, this way also. The condition is when you take O7 dash in the compass, this arc must cut radial line O7. When you take distance O8 dash in the compass, 8 dash, then draw an arc which will cut radial line O8. So repeat the up to last 12. So you will get P12 at point 12 dash. Then with the help of French curve, now it is this radius. Our point P is here. Our point P is here. So we have to draw a smooth curve starting from point P. Then P1, P2, then P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, then P9, then P10, it will be smooth curve, then P11, and last is P12. It should be a smooth curve. So this is your required Archemedian spiral. Okay, which greatest radius 115 mm and this radius 50 mm. If this radius is not given, our point P will be at center O. Then our Archemedian spiral will start from here, like this P, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 up to P2. Now we have to give the dimensions. So already 15 we have given. Just give the dimension for this greatest radius. This is my R 1. This way we have to complete the Archemedian spiral. Understood? Okay. So draw it.